Jaden. Did you say cheese? Jaden, what are you doing? Why are you in your stroller?
No.
No, you're not in your stroller? Jaden, it's not time to go get Amaria yet. We have to wait. We still have 2 more hours. Jaden, be careful. Get out. Come on. You want to get out? You don't want to get out? What do you want to do? You want to go?
No.
We can't go yet. We have to go, we have to wait until Amaria gets out of school. Amaria's at school. Okay? You can get out the stroller? Amaria? Yes? You have to get out, son. You're going to fall. You have to get out. We have to get out because it's not time to get Amaria yet. Come here. Mommy, help you. You want Mommy help you get out? Come here. Yes. Okay. Where do you want to go? No. Jaden, we're not going in the stroller. Jaden. No. Jaden. We have to wait. We have to wait to get Amaria. It's not time yet. Come on, let's go. It's time to go night-night. You want to take a nap? You need a baba to take a nap? You need to go night-night? Huh? I thought we were going to get out and take a nap. Nap? You want to take a nap? Yeah? Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go take a nap. Let's go night-night. Let's go night-night. Yeah, we're going to go night-night. A nap. Come on. Can you get out? When you wake up from your nap, we'll go get Amaria, okay? Okay. Night-night. Say night-night. Night-night.